2 days, over 500 kilometers.
It's quite awesome. What does it say?
After a long year at work, I needed distance, and the road was waiting.
Good afternoon everybody and welcome to a channel. Today, for first, I will ride all the way to Helsinki from Lahti. That's about 100 km, a little bit more. Today's target is Olympia terminal where I shall take a ship to Sweden over the night, and after that I'm going to spend around 9 days riding around Sweden. My first plan was to go over to Sweden and drive to Norway, but the weather forecast looks so terrible for the next week or two in there that I decided to stay in Sweden. My ultimate plan is to ride to Kiruna and check out world's largest underground iron ore mine. I think they have had some kind of problem with the ground lowering. They're moving the whole city of Kiruna to a different place because of the mine. Kiruna is around 1200-1300 km north from Stockholm, so it will take few days me to get there. And I think that on my way back I will ride the Silver Trail Sweden, at least in a day or two.
That's the direction, north.
There's the icebreakers, Kontia and Polaris. And there's the biggest Orthodox church in Finland. Not exactly sure how the lanes go here. On. Alright. I did check in. Where should I be going? Alright, here we are. Waiting to get in.
First day isn't about the distance. Every ferry is a floating city. This is where the trip truly begins.
Good morning, folks. We have arrived to Stockholm and now we are getting off the boat. It's quite a lot slower process than in Tallinn. Okay, welcome to Sweden. Issues with navigation. My navigation phone mobile network doesn't work here, so let's go to there. Now we go. Do we follow that one? I don't know. No, we were supposed to go to the other way.
Before the ride truly begins.
Yeah. Alright. I did stop to eat and have some coffee in the McDonald. And now I'm ready to continue towards Sundsvall. We have still 3.5 hours, almost 400 km to go. The roads are nice. I got out of the urban areas. Weather is quite warm. I absolutely had to stop there. In middle of nowhere. because there was this runic stone from 1000 something. It didn't say exactly. And the sign was in Swedish, so I'm not sure what was the stone for. I found another runic stone, even bigger than one before. I think I stopped here to take some photos. Quite awesome. What does it say? No idea what it says. To check it out later. Yeah, it's nice. The first half of today's riding was really nice, and the views were great. It was quite interesting. I found those rune stones, and the roads were like going through villages and so on. The second part has been quite boring, to be honest. I've been on this bigger road for 100 km almost today, and I don't like this. This is not fun. Quite a view. Alright, we are here in Sundsvall. Now I have to find the hotel. Should be close somewhere. The view is quite nice. And that's one of a bridge. Quite big one. Until I get everything sorted out. Okay. I decided to pay for the garage because these parking spots are full. And I don't want to leave my bike like 4 blocks away. So I paid around 20 euros to park my bike in a garage. Okay, red door. Okay. Klippa här. Okay. Välkommen. Now we go to the garage. All the way down. And she said to park wherever it's free. I think I'm leaving my bike here. Just want to push it back first. This is my bike is safe and sound. I don't need to worry about it anymore today.
Two days completed. More than 500 kilometers behind me. Tomorrow, the journey continues further north.